Assalamualaikum students, how are you? I hope you will be fine. Students, today I will teach you English year number 2, page number 19 and 20. Exercise. Students, now let us start. Exercise grammar. Masculine, feminine, common and neuter gender. First is masculine gender, a gender that represents males are referred to objects that are classified as male. Next, feminine gender, a gender that represents females are refers to objects that are classified as female. Next, neuter gender. Gender neutral nouns are used for neither a male nor a female. They refer to inanimate objects. Next, common gender. Common gender nouns are used for both males and females. Masculine gender, bull, grandfather, wizard. Feminine gender, cow, grandmother, witch. Next, page number 20. Common gender, teacher, baby, neighbor. Next, neuter gender, rope, book, hat. Next, read the following nouns and write them under their respective heading: cousin, line, hen, castle, nurse, feather, waiter, farmer. First heading is masculine gender, waiter, line. Next heading is feminine gender, hen, nurse. Next heading is common gender, cousin, farmer. Next heading is neuter gender, feather, castle. स्टूडेंट्स, आज का लेक्चर यहाँ कंप्लीट हुआ. आई होप you will be understood this lecture. Students, kindly note down this work on your books. It is your book work. Okay, Allah Hafiz.